Hey guys, welcome to another beautiful day, which is the Motorcycle Day celebration, the World Motorcycle Day celebration. And I've brought my baby, the SD Road King. And if you haven't checked out the video, I have given my complete childhood story on this bike, how I grew up on this bike. The link is right here if you want to check out that video. So we're here to enjoy the World Motorcycle Day. So let's see what the World Motorcycle Day unfolds for us, because honestly, this is my very first motorcycle day celebration, so I don't know what to expect. And what I've heard is there are huge number of people coming, huge number of bikers, and a lot of bikes also coming. So let's head on inside, let's get our the bands, and let's head on inside and see what is there inside. So guys, we're here at the World Motorcycle Day, and as you see, people are still turning up, and yeah, it's a pretty big event just starting off, and bikers are just lining up, and there are quite a few amount of bikers here. As we see, we have a lot of stalls, a lot of games as well in every stall. So lucky winner games and a lot of games to play and win some stuff or goodies and all. So let's just wait till the crowd comes in, and we have this huge setup here, which going to be a band playing and all these things. So yeah, let's just wait and let's watch how the event unfolds. So guys, as you see, it's a pretty big event, and we've had some people showing off some things at the stalls, and we had some games as well, where you will see in all these clips. I'm not sure how much I've captured, and yeah, sponsored by TVS Racing. So it's been a pretty good day. Yeah guys, we're done with the event, the World Motorcycle Day that we've all been waiting for. It's been a blast because we've had everything. We've got to see the vintage lineup, we've got to see super bikes, and we even got to see the Panigale V4 SP, which is a very rare motorcycle, and got to see it here. Apart from that, went to every stall, played some games, and it was a pretty good experience overall. And yeah, and coming to the kit, I got the signature kit, and as you see this duffel bag here, it came with 10 different goodies for the kit. And yeah, it's a pretty good kit. We've got some good memories to carry back with us. from the event. So a good thing to end the event and to end the day. So that's the end of the video. Stay tuned. See you in the next one.